Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with the Hanger Tribe. On this week's episode, we left Darwin and headed over to Dundee Beach. We went and explored Stingray Head, went and helped our friends get unbogged while trying not to get ourselves bogged with the incoming tide. Jake got to explore the Finniss River with our friends. He caught his first Barra and seen his first saltwater crocodile in the wild. As always guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Is it moving, Jay?
Say hello. Say hello. Our child, huh?
Can't pick them.
No. Hello.
Alright. It's been a while.
It feels like it's been forever. For us, anyway.
For us. Not for YouTube world.
No. YouTube would have just been like, buzz.
Done.
But for us, it's been
2.5 weeks, I'm going to say.
since we picked up a camera.
Yeah. We've taken a break.
We have.
Not because it's stressful or anything like that. I think we just, I don't know, just decided to not film. I think capital cities we find hard to film.
Very hard.
Yeah. Come on, Leah, help out.
Very, very hard. But how do you feel about the NT, babe?
I don't know. I've got mixed emotions. Just because there's crocodiles everywhere. All the rock pools have potential of croc attacks. Everything. We're just not used to it.
No, we're going to pack the boogie boards up, mate. It's just different. I don't know how to explain it, but...
Plus it's hot. It's hard with the kids because it's hot. And, you know, they're not the keenest kids to just go for like a 2K walk.
No.
And so we
And,
haven't really done much.
and now sickness is starting to wander through the family.
Yeah.
So Leo started, now Kelly's kind of getting it. Mia kind of had it.
Yeah.
So we haven't been in a city like this for a long time.
Nah.
So it's kind of just...
Yeah.
We're ready.
I don't know. It's hard to describe.
Yeah.
I think it's just, we're ready to punch on. We've got a couple more stops.
Yep. We'll have to show you where we're going next, but...
Stay tuned.
We made it. It was a big drive, wasn't it, babe?
Huge! Massive.
No, it was only an hour
It's
and
been
a
a bloody
half.
while since I've been towing the caravan.
Yeah, which is pretty crazy, isn't
It's
it?
like riding a bike though. Once you've done it, you've done it.
Anywho, we have made it to Dundee Beach Holiday Park.
Dundee.
We are here for 3 nights. I can't remember exactly how much we paid because we originally were going to stay here for a week, but we're not anymore. I might just pop up on here how much we paid per night. We've already been for a swim. It's actually really nice. We don't have the aircon on. Look at these kids.
Get off. This is what we're going to do. 2 chairs, 3 kids. And look at this guy. He's just been an angel.
Just pass off. Look at these two. They're going off.
Alright, that's it. Pop up.
Like I said, we were here for a week, but we're only going to be here for 3 days, so I'll let you know how much it costs. If you can hear me over our children. We don't have the aircon on. We do have power and water. We do not have the aircon on because it's beautiful here, I think.
We're just testing for the gig. Because we don't want to be like, oh, this is great, 20 degrees, and then we get to the Gib and it's like no aircon.
Yeah.
And then we just melt.
So yeah, we're on site 84, which is like right at the back of the site, right back here. We were like right at the front, but we decided not to. We moved because our friends were here. We're just gonna go for a walk down to the beach. We've tried to warn the kids not to go near the water because crocodiles. No one's seen them though, so don't know. We'll see. But we're gonna go for a walk, enjoy this afternoon.
Chill out.
Yeah.
See what Dundee's got to offer.
Exactly.
We're at Stingray. Steph will put a little snippet on there. It wasn't too bad getting in here though.
No, it really was.
Pretty good. We've set the kids up.
He's got a wheel.
What do you think, kids?
Try to look for crocodiles. They're really hard to find, aren't they?
Well, you don't really want to find them.
No, but...
No, but it's sick out here. We should have brought lunch. We didn't even think.
Yeah.
We should have just set up for the day. Or not the day, sorry, but just for lunchtime.
Yeah.
Then hung out here, but... Yeah, it's a little dry out. It's just south of Dundee Holiday Park.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. It's pretty easy. You get a two-wheel drive in here easy, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And, yeah, it looks sick. It's just like this little bank out here. It'd be alright. It'd look nicer at high tide, I think. But I'm going to see if I can find some crocs on the drone.
Yeah, that would be cool. Home and we some of our friends that we've met, where did we meet them? Anyway, we met them at Waltree Beach. She messaged me on Instagram and has said, are you guys back at camp? Can you please call me ASAP, and I was like, oh no, something's happened.
Yeah.
We've just spoken to them, and they've gone for like a little trip down to the beach.
Yeah, down to the
south
river.
of Dundee.
Yeah.
And apparently they went down, tried to do a U-turn on the beach, and they're stuck. So Jake's just letting his tyres
Jake to the
down.
rescue!
Jake's just letting his tyres down. I'm busting for a bloody wee and have been for the last hour. So Jake's just going to let his tyres down a bit because we don't want to get bogged, and they've got a winch and all that stuff. So hopefully we'll just be able to pop them out. The kids are hungry. It's 12:30, everyone's hungry, but we're going to go help these guys get out.
Holy shit! That was hectic. I'm knackered.
We got there at 12:30.
Holy mate.
And it is now 2:55.
We weren't. We were helping this couple out, so we got a text when we were coming back.
Yeah, we told them this time.
Oh yeah, we already told you. And holy dooly, 79 series stuck to the chassis and just diffed out big time. In like, it's all sand, but just on the end, right on the point where the river is, there's just these big clumps of like clay. It nearly looked like rock. He thought it was rock. Biggest clumps of clay, and he is just going straight down. He said as soon as he touched it, boom, and we went crawling in it for like, I'm gonna say 7 or 8 meters.
Yeah.
Winching off me. He was trying to winch off his spare wheel in the sand for like, I think he said,
He was there. They were there since 10:30.
yeah, since 10:30, and what, it's like 2:30 now.
Yeah. 5 to 3.
Oh man, what an ordeal. Shoveling and then driving and then shoveling and then shoveling some more. And what is it, 31 outside?
Yeah.
But we got him out. We had about 2 meters of tide left before it started touching my tyres. Oh, and I'm not a four-wheel drive expert, that's for sure. But it was just 6 max tracks. That's one thing I can say. We're buying another set of max tracks.
Yeah.
We're having 4 max tracks.
And straps on the max strap?
Yes, straps. Recovery straps will like speed up your recovery because you'll be able to find them for one. And yeah, we left one back there because we couldn't find it. It was buried that deep.
I'll pop up a photo of like where they were stuck. Like I won't put them on there or anything, but I'll show you. Like I'll show you where they were stuck because I took a photo afterwards.
Yeah. Insane.
Like when I stood into it, it went down to like halfway up my shin.
Yeah, it was that sloppy. It just went, and it wasn't even sand. It was like a skin of sand, and then just
like clay,
like grey clay.
And then as soon as you get like, we try to wash the max track.
Yeah.
And it just turns into like cement.
Yeah. We'll just go on this goat track back.
Yeah. It's, oh my god.
Yeehaw, a bit of full driver. Mate, this is nothing compared to Fraser.
Yeah, I know.
This might be just... But we helped them.
Yeah.
Good karma.
Yep. But yes.
Good friends.
Yep.
Always make good friends.
There's a shitty train, I got no sun, there's only rain, I wanna crash and numb this pain. Nothing will last inside this lane. Oh, take me far away past these mediocre days, I need to stop this burn. Say, can you help me unlearn? This rodeo's got me feeling like a soul. So I should go.
Right, we're on the SS Gruber. There we go. We're on. We're chasing some barra in the Finniss River. So we'll see how we go. It was a bit of a slog to get over here, but chuck some bait in the water and we'll see how we go.
What he was doing, eh?
It was a bit weird.
Have a chat.
Beans, what's going on, mate? Why haven't we caught any fish yet?
Tide's wrong.
Oh, the tide's wrong. Blame it on the tide, that's alright. We'll keep going, we'll do another lap. Here we're on boys.
We're on.
What do we got?
Jake's on. What is it, Ben?
Barra, and it's a 60 centimetres. We just wet it.
60.
Talk to the camera.
What do you reckon?
Good.
Is that the best one yet? 60?
You're close.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? You're gonna eat him?
You can have him.
Count it again, you guys.
Oh,
See your maths.
come on, mate.
45.
Selling me short. 48 centimetre. There we go. The infamous Barra. Add it to the list.